Good day, and thank you for watching this video. I'm 𝐬𝐭, a local realtor and investor here in Central Florida. If you enjoy property tours and market insights, consider subscribing to my channel. Today, I'm excited to present this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home located in the luxurious resort-style double-gated community of Solterra, Davenport, Florida.
This stunning home is just 35 minutes from Orlando International Airport, 30 minutes from Universal Studios, 23 minutes from Disney Parks, and only 1 hour from Tampa. It's the perfect balance of convenience and resort-style living. This property blends elegance and modern living, featuring over 28 premium upgrades and nearly 2,000 square feet of beautifully designed, open-concept living space. Flooded with natural light, the spacious living and dining areas are perfect for entertaining. The upgraded kitchen is a showstopper, with high-end gas appliances, quartz countertops, a gorgeous tile backsplash, and sleek 42-inch white cabinets. Every detail has been thoughtfully crafted, from the custom wooden closets to the renovated bathrooms. Even the laundry room is stylish, featuring a tankless water heater for energy efficiency. Plus, with installed solar panels, this home offers eco-friendly living and cost savings. This home truly stands out in Solterra. Don't wait. Schedule your private tour today to experience the luxury and lifestyle it offers. Call or text me using the contact information below to arrange a showing before it's gone.